Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. Hey guys, so for our first project, we're going to create a custom modal. I decided to go with a modal because for the most part, every application that I've used or that I've seen, they implement the modal in some kind of way. So building a customized modal actually makes our application a little bit more unique. And I figured it's a component you guys can actually use for your lifetime as a mobile developer. All right, so let's get into it. On our home screen, we have 3 buttons: a confirmation button, an approve button, and an input button. When the user clicks on the confirmation button, our confirmation modal will actually have 2 options, a yes or no. If a user presses on the approve button, this is letting the user know that after they've made the purchase or whatever, that it was successful and that when they check their inbox, they should have a confirmation email. And our input modal is a modal that basically it takes some kind of information from the user. It can be their name or any other type of information that you guys want to utilize within your application. So yeah, this is it for our wireframe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay guys, now let's create our first project. Open your terminal and change your directory to your desktop/course projects. Within your course projects directory, we're going to create our React Native application. Run the command react native init alert box. Now also run the command open dot, and this will give you access to all your project folders. Press enter. Return back to your terminal. Change your directory to your alert box project and run the command npm start. Navigate back to your course projects directory. Click on the alert box, open your iOS folder, and now open your Xcode project. Let's get our application running on our emulator. Press play. Awesome, now we have our project up and running on our emulator. Let's do the same thing for Android Studio. Go ahead and open Android Studio. If you're already in your Android Studio, navigate in the top, navigate to File, Open. Navigate to your desktop, course projects, alert box, Android, and app, and open. Wait for your project to sync. Once your project has finished syncing, go ahead and open the emulator. After your emulator has finished loading, within Android Studio, press play. Awesome. Now we have our project running on both Android and iOS. I'll catch you guys in the next video.